today's video, I'll show you how to create a heat map in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or a data pro, this will help you visualize insights clearly and beautifully. First, open Tableau desktop or access Tableau online. Once you're logged in, open a worksheet. This is your canvas where the visualization will come to life. Now drag your dimensions onto the rows and columns shelves. These represent your data categories such as regions or product types. Next, drag a measure like sales or revenue onto the color shelf in the marks card. Tableau will instantly assign color intensities based on the measure's values. Darker shades for higher values and lighter ones for lower. If this tutorial is helping, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau how-tos every week. Next, on the marks card, change the mark type to square or rectangle for a traditional heatmap, or select density if you want a gradient style look. Once it's displayed, fine-tune your color palette by clicking on the color option, then selecting Edit Colors. Choose contrasting tones that make data variations easy to spot. Finally, clean up your visualization by adding labels, adjusting formatting, and ensuring that your color intensity clearly communicates the story behind your data. And that's it. You've just created a professional looking heatmap in Tableau. Simple, powerful, and ready to impress. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Tableau tips and data visualization guides.